Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to improve your professional brand. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips to improve your professional brand online and offline, okay? The first thing is you need to identify your strengths and your weaknesses. Forget about your weaknesses for now. Let's identify your strengths. What are you good at? What are your skills? What are your experiences? What is your passion? What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about SDG goals? Are you passionate about making an impact in the world? Are you passionate about leaving a legacy behind your name? Are you passionate about leaving your name in the sands of time? Are you passionate about a problem in the society or in the country? Are you passionate about politics, electricity, power, the internet, technology? First thing is you need to identify your strengths and what you're passionate about. Number 2, you need to be able to build your reputation online. Yes, online. People need to be able to Google you. They need to be able to check you out on LinkedIn. They need to know what you are passionate about. They need to know how you add value to the world. The third thing is that you also have to be able to find your voice. Even in a very crowded society, in a very crowded online world, you need to be able to find your voice. Finding your voice basically means you asking yourself, what are the problems you want to solve? Who am I? What am I on earth for? What do I want to leave this world with? How do I want to impact my world, my community, my society, my friends, my organization, or the company I work in? Do I want to start a new business? You need to find your voice. The next thing is that you need to reduce your weaknesses. Reduce your weaknesses, but first identify your weaknesses and then you can reduce them or you can contract them out. So if you're not good with numbers, right? If you're not good with certain areas of building your professional brand, probably you don't know how to do your makeup or you don't know how to style yourself, then you need to know that that's a weakness and might impact your brand negatively. So you need to contract it out or you need to study, research and learn how to increase it, right? The next thing is that you need to build your network. Yes, your network is so important. The number of people that are in your network, by that I mean the number of people that you are connected to both online and offline, actually determines how far you would go and how your professional brand is going to attract opportunities, especially globally. So you need to build your network, meet with people on LinkedIn, connect with people online, invite people to your platform, build a community, build your network, because that is so important. I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 or maybe 5 things about what I've shared today about building your professional brand and improving it. And I want you to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment in the section below. And if there's any questions you have, you can always drop a question as well. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video.